Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Now question number 11. We were in exercise 1.2. Question number 10 we have completed in our last lecture. I hope everyone has done their homework to complete all the sums one time in rough book and to finish their responsibility to complete their fair note up till question 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only three children from the class who are saying yes sir.
Yes.
That means
Yes,
only
sir.
three
Yes, sir.
children has done their
Yes,
homework.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, who is going to read question number 11?
Sir,
Sir, can
Pariana,
I
Pariana,
Kapasi Hasan?
Pariana, Mama.
Sir, Raj Bhusani.
Sir, Kapasi Hasan.
Sir, Pariana, Shafiq.
Sir,
Sir, Mohammed.
Sir, Mohammed Tayyib.
Ahad Dolia, new child. I think so. I've never introduced with him. Come on, Ahad, come ahead and read question number 11, beta.
Yes, sir. The distance between the school and the house of a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day she walked both ways. Find the total distance covered by 6 days.
By her.
By her in 6 days.
ચલો આ છે એનું ઘર અને અહીંયા છે એની સ્કૂલ. ઓકે. The distance between the school and the house of the student's house is 1 kilometer and 875 meter. 1 kilometer and 875 meters. So can I say that 1.875 kilometer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
જો હવે 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, 1 liter is equal to dash milliliter. આ બધું આ ડાયરેક્ટ અપ્લાઈડ થશે. હવે કોઈ રીડિંગ વર્ક કે કોઈ મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન વર્ક કે એવું કાંઈ અપ્લાય થશે ને. યુ ઓલ આર ગ્રોન અપ ચિલ્ડ્રન રાઇટ નાઉ. You should convert by heart. It should be orally conversion. ન આવડે તો પાછળ રફમાં કન્વર્ઝન કરી નાખવાનું. Are you getting? But it should be done directly now. હવે કોઈ તમારી સાથે હવે એક પણ પ્રોબ્લેમ સમમાં આવશે નહીં કે ભાઈ આ 875 મીટરનું 0.875 કિલોમીટર થશે. હવે 1 કિલોમીટર એડ કરો તો 1 અહીંયા 0.000 આવશે. So you will get this kilometer. હવે કોઈ આવી રીતે કરવા આવશે નહીં અને કોઈ થશે પણ નહીં. Now you have to directly check out orally everything. What to be done now? See, the distance between the school and the house of a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both the ways. એટલે એક વખત જાય છે અને એક વખત આવે છે. તો બંને વખત ચાલીને જાય છે અને ચાલીને આવે છે. તો એનો એક દિવસ પર ડે નો ટોટલ કઈ થતો હશે 1 day.
Yes, sir.
બરાબર છે. અને એવું કે કેટલા દિવસ કરે છે? સ્કૂલમાં કેટલા દિવસ હોય? સન્ડે સિવાય 6 days હોય ને? So 1.8751 kilometer. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So first thing, she is going two ways. Either you can add the second time or you can directly multiply 2. And whatever answer you get, I'm sorry, excuse me. Whatever answer you get over here, it will be multiplied by 6. because that will be for one day. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
per day
sir.
તો આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરી શકીએ છીએ, પણ પર ડે આપણે નથી આન્સર આપવાનો. આપણે કેટલા આન્સર આપવાના? 6 days. So આ સમમાં all over શું થશે? Multiplication. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Anybody
Yes,
has any
sir.
doubt here?
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, chalo. Coming back to the answer part. Have to write in the answer. Distance between school and home 1.875 kilometer. Distance between home and school, એટલે ઈ પેલા સ્કૂલ જાય છે ને સ્કૂલ થી પાછી ઘરે જાય છે. Are you getting?
Yes.
So આખા દિવસમાં 2 વાર યુ ટર્ન મારે છે ને.
Yes, sir.
So again the same distance will be from home to school and school to home. So 1.875 again will be added. So total you got is 3.750 kilometers. The total distance covered in one day is 3.750 kilometer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
But that
sir.
was for one day. Now our main question is how much distance he covered for the whole week. That means for all 6 days to the school. That means distance covered in 6 days will be 3.750 multiplied by 6, which gives you 22.500 kilometer. Therefore 22 kilometer and a decimal pachina che etle 500 meter. Are you getting? Or you can keep this whole thing also. That is also correct. 22.500 kilometer muko to pan chalse, no problem in that. But why they are keeping this 22 kilometer 500 meter? Because in question it is given 1 kilometer 875 meter. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So they are converting this 22 kilometers 500 meter distance covered in 6 days. કોઈને doubt હોય તો કયો આ question માં?
No, sir. No, doubt.
sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
Sure
No,
બચ્ચા?
sir. No doubt. Yes, sir.
Sure.
Okay, chalo. Question number 12.
Sir, can I read this?
Sir, can I read Napira question?
Generation capacity.
Muhammad Saif, please.
Yes, sir. Number 12. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 milliliter of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 milliliter capacity can it be filled?
4 liters and 500 milliliters, right? Of curd.
Yes.
Curd etla su?
Dai.
Dahi. So can I write this 4.500 liter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सर ऐसे भी लिख सके कि 4,500 मिलीलीटर.
Yes. See, why we have to convert this into 4,500 milliliter? Because you're
Sir,
absolutely
because the
right.
main question
Because
is
the
in
main
milliliter.
question is in milliliter. Yes, exactly. Why? Because they are saying that 25 milliliter ની capacity વાળો glass છે, તો એવા કેટલા glass fill થઈ શકે? In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can be filled? એટલે શું 25 ml ની capacity વાળા કેટલા glass fill થઈ શકે? So total આપણી પાસે દહીં કેટલા milliliter છે એ ખબર હોવી જોઈએ. Liter એટલું છે, તો this 4 liter will be converted to 4,000 milliliter, because 1 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 1000.
1000.
સમજાય કે નથી સમજાતું?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે.
Samjay.
સમજાય જ ને boys?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what we have to do is, after getting 4,500 as your milliliter, because 500 already milliliter is given, 4,000 plus 500, 4,500 divide by 25. બરાબર? milliliter got cancelled, એટલે આપણે glass મળશે. 5 5s are 25 here, 5 9s are 45, 0 0 as it is. બરાબર છે? 5 1s are 5, again 5 1s are 5, 4 with you 9 માંથી 5 8s are 40 and 0 as it is. Total કેટલા glass fill થશે?
180 glass.
સમજ પડી? 180 glasses will be filled up. Are you getting my point? हाँ बेटा
Yes,
बोलो.
sir.
See, this was the oral calculations, but how to write when we are solving the problem sums. Coming back to the answer part. Chalo. Capacity of curd in a vessel is what? 4 liter 500 milliliters. So 4 into 1000 plus 500. So 4500 ml pela conversion થઈ ગયું. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
4
sir.
into 1000 is what? 4000. 4000 plus 500, 4500 milliliter. Now capacity of one glass is what? 25 ml. What is the capacity of per glass, which was in the question? 25 ml,
25.
right? So number of glasses can be filled will be 4500 divided by 25. So we got our answer 180. I was on a certain answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So therefore 180 glasses can be filled by the curd. Anybody has
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No,
No
sir.
doubt.
No doubt.
You can have a screenshot of this 11 and 12. Answer number 11 and answer 12. Please.
Yes, sir. Taken.
Taken?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Taken.
Okay, great. Okay, bacha. All of you, boys.
Yes.
So with the help of
Yes,
this
sir.
answer, we have completed our exercise 1.2. Now we are shifting to exercise 1.3. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, very easy and small exercise. After this exercise, we will be completing our chapter.
Sir, 3 exercises only are there.
Yes, only 3 exercise for chapter number 1. NCERT is very easy because the content will be cleared with the base. ભલે sums ને એ બધા આગળના ચેપ્ટરમાં થોડા લેન્ધી હશે. લેન્ધી મીન્સ થોડુંક આમ ડિસ્ક્રિપ્ટિવ એમ. But you will be very much helpful to work on with this book for your 10th standard. Okay, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Any continue in NCERT ભણશો તમે લોકો, that means you will be covering very good result in 10th standard for your mathematics. Okay?
Okay.
Chalo. Now exercise 1.3. હવે સરે જેટલા ટોપિક્સ ટીચ કરેલા હતા જ્યારે એક્સપ્લેન કરતા હતા ચેપ્ટર, એ બધા મેક્સિમમ કવર થઈ ગયા. Now next topic what we are going through is estimate. યાદ છે estimate નામનો ટોપિક ભણાવ્યો
Yes,
હતો સર?
sir.
Yes, sir. Small,
Yes.
smallest જે એની ઓરો નંબર હોય ને એ.
Sir, rounded off. Sir, we have to find rounded off. Round off.
Round off. Very good. Chalo.
Sir,
બોલો.
સર અહીંયા કાંઈ હેડિંગ નથી આપ્યું. 100 આરે લેવાનું ગમે તો ગમે એની આરે લઈ
That is, yes, that is up to us now. 730 is there. 730 and 998 is there, right? We have to add these two. So can I take the nearest tens?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No. We will go directly to nearest
100.
100. So this is 30. 30, 50 થી નીચે છે કે ઉપર છે?
નીચે છે એટલે 700.
So it will be 700. And this 98 is there. Is more than
It
50 or
gone 990. 1000, yes.
90. જેમાં 30 લીધું એમાં 98 50 થી ઉપર છે કે નીચે છે?
ઉપર.
ઉપર છે. તો 50 થી ઉપર હોય તો 100 એડ થઈ જશે 900 માં.
હા.
700 is completed. 900 is fully complete. So 900 માં 00 એડ થશે કે 100 એડ થશે? That is what the question is. 98 છે તો 100 એડ થશે ને, 50 થી ઉપર છે તો. આ 50 થી નીચે હતું તો શું એડ થયું? 0 0. Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes.
So total rounding off for this plus, આ તો આ એક્સરસાઇઝ તમે જાતે કરી શકશો આખી. 1700 is your rounded off. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same with
Yes,
this
sir.
one. 796 will be your 800.
Yes. And
314 will be 300.
300.
So what is your answer over here? Rounded
Sir.
estimate answer.
500.
500.
સમજાય છે boys what we are
Yes,
doing
sir.
here?
Yes, sir. સમજાય છે.
Okay. So exercise 1.3 question number 1 is we have to go through with general rules. That means it is up to us whether to take with tens, hundred, thousands or 10,000. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Samjhay છે?
sir.
Coming to the
Yes.
answer topic, let us check. First answer was 1700. It is correct for Mohammed sir. Round off need to nearest 100. 730 no શું થઈ ગયું? 700. How to write this? See, check out here. 998 rounded off 2. 2 nearest 100 લખવાનું આપણે because we are solving to nearest 100, right? So 1000 estimated sum is 1700. Second, 796 rounded off to 800. 314 rounded off nearest to 100 place, so it will be 300. Estimated sum. This all are estimated sum. See, estimated sum. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Plus કરીએ છે એટલે estimated sum લખવાનું. When we are subtracting at that time estimated difference લખવાનું. Is that clear? Don't forget
Yes.
to write that. Now 12,904. Now it is converted to nearest thousand. See. સમજાય છે?
Yes,
This
sir.
nearest thousand. This 904 is more than 500 or less than 500? See, 12,904. એમાં 12,000 તો આખા છે જ આપણી પાસે. Are you getting or
Yes.
not?
Yes.
sir.
Now, if we are converting to nearest 1000, આપણે nearest 1000 ને કન્વર્ટ કરીએ છે તો આ 904 જે છે બાકીના 3 ડિજિટ ઈ 500 કરતા મોટા છે કે નાના છે?
નાના છે
મોટા.
12,000.
નાના છે. 904 is
મોટા
more
છે.
than 500. 500 થી મોટા થયા ને? So મોટા હોય તો શું થઈ શકે? This 3 digit will be converted to 1000.
Yes.
So 1000 will be added to this whole 12,000. Are you
Yes.
getting?
Yes,
So 1000 if we add to this whole 12,000, it will be 13,000. What is displayed here? Can you
Yes.
see?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt કોઈને?
No, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
Same way what we
Sir,
are doing, we are converting this to nearest 1000 again. So 2,888. 2,000 આખા આપણી પાસે already છે. Are you getting? 888 is greater than 500 or smaller than 500?
Greater
Greater.
than
So this 888 will be converted to 1000.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it's
So 2,000 plus 1,000 rounded off as 3,000 here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, what we have to do is we have to again add that because the addition sign is over here. See. સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
તો બચ્ચા અહીંયા સેકન્ડ માં ડિફરન્સ આવશે. એસ્ટિમેટેડ સમ જો અહીંયા પ્રિન્ટિંગ એરર છે. Estimated difference because 800 minus 300 that is 500. Second
Okay,
sum
sir.
was for subtraction. Can you all see? કોઈનું ધ્યાન નથી બોલો. કોઈ મને એરર મારી નો કાઢી. See the difference is 500 બચ્ચે લોગ. So estimated difference લખવાનું. શું લખવાનું?
Estimated
difference is equal to 500. See અહીંયા લખેલું છે જો. Yes, like this you have to write. સમજાય છે?
Sir, okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So first sum was for addition. Second sum was for subtraction.
Subtraction.
Third sum was again for addition. So 3,000
Subtraction.
plus 13,000. You got your estimated sum as 16,000. Barabar che?
Yes, sir.
So coming back
Yes,
to the
sir.
last sum, 28,292 minus 21,496. Again to the nearest thousand.
Yes.
Nearest thousand at 8,000 che. So this will be 28,000.
Yes.
292 is smaller than 500.
Yes. And
Minus 21,000 as it
21,000.
is.
Yes, 21,000.
So what will be the difference?
7,000.
7,000. Is that clear, boys?
Yes. Estimate the difference. Answer.
Estimated difference is 7,000. Any doubt here? Boys?
Sir, if
No,
sir,
sir,
if
no doubt.
adds, so we
No, sir, no doubt.
sir,
See, again I am repeating, in this, it is not at all described that where to be nearest. Are you getting? સમજાય છે? If it is not described, so we have to check કે આપણે સૌથી નજદીકમાં નજદીક અને easy way માં કેવી રીતે આન્સર આવે. That is we have to calculate. અહીંયા ખોટું tens અને ones ની place લઈને 10,000 નો રમવા જવાય. What we have to do is અહીંયા 1,000 ની place લઈ લેવાય સીધી. Are you getting? So that you can easily round it off the rest of the three numbers. समझ पड़े छे?
Yes, sir. Sumant Pole.
So
Yes, sir.
when it is not described that this go through with nearest thousand, tens or ones place, we cannot work with a particular thing. We can work only where the easiest way to get the answer. Okay?
okay, sir. Sir,
Chalo.
if we can't show the method and directly we do, so
Sir.
we can carry up marks.
No, beta. See, method is nothing. આમાં ક્યાં method આવી બેટા? આ ખાલી statement લખવાનું છે. Rounded off to nearest 100. કેમ કે આ 3 જ digit છે તો nearest 100 સુધી ન થશે.
Okay, sir.
આ 5 digit છે, અહીંયા બીજે 4 digit છે તો nearest 1000 સુધી થશે. Are you getting?
Okay, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Okay. Understood.
ઓકે ચલો ઉદાહરણ શું કર. Question number 2. હા બોલો બોલો જલ્દી જલ્દી બોલો. ચલો question number 2. Who is going to read?
Sir, can I ask
Hasan Kapasi. Hasan
sir.
Kapasi.
सर आपने पहले में जो समझाया समझ में नहीं आया.
Question number 2. Hasan Kapasi, please.
Yes, sir. Question number 2. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens.
The child who didn't understood question number 1, please pay attention to question number 2. આ વધારે descriptive method થી છે. It will be more easy to understand this instead of question number 1. Okay? ચલો. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to the nearest 100. એટલે compulsory આપણે કોઈ પણ numbers આપેલો હોય એને આપણે nearest ક્યાં સુધી જવાનું છે? અરે 10 લેખ આપેલું હોય પણ nearest ક્યાં સુધી જવાનું છે? 100 and next number is tens. એટલે આપણે બીજું કાંઈ જોવાનું નથી. The same sums has to be done to the nearest 100 and nearest tens. Plus અને minus બંને sums છે. તો આમાંથી હું એક sum કરાવું છું. You have to calculate the rest of the sums will be your homework. Okay? Chalo. 439. Check here. 439. Wait. We are solving this first. We are solving this question number 1 first. Okay? Chalo. Pela હું કરાવીશ. Wait a moment. Why this is not happening? Okay, got it. Pela આપણે જશું. What question I'm solving? Question number 2.
Question A. Oh, 2 and
Yes. 439 to the nearest 100. Okay. So 439 no nearest 100 pela શું થશે? 100 means what? Nearest to 4.
yes.
Right? So 39 is greater than 50 or smaller than 50?
Smaller, so it happened 400.
400
So it's 400.
plus. હું
Plus,
ડાયરેક્ટ લખું છું બટ તમને ઓલી મેથડ થી લખવાનું છે હા બેટા.
okay,
Yes, sir.
round off of
Round off to the nearest
300.
hundreds.
Yes.
એવી રીતે બરાબર.
Okay.
This will be again 300.
300.
Okay.
Then
Then
it
4,000.
4,000.
4,000.
4,000.
એ છોકરા nearest hundred.
4,310. 4,310.
Nearest 100.
Nearest 100.
4,300. 4,300.
4,300.
Yes,
Very good.
4,300.
તમારે આ બધા પછી આગળના ને પાછળના ડિજિટ ની જોવાના. You have to simply check your place values બચ્ચા. Place
Okay,
values
okay,
જો
sir.
હવે સમજાવું હમણાં તમને લોકોને 4,300 પેલા લખી લેવા દો. Check here. What is nearest 100? Nearest 100 means 100 ની place value પેલા માર્ક કરી લેવાની. Where is the 100 place value for all the numbers?
Yes.
હવે એની આગળના જેટલા પણ નંબરો અહીંયા કાંઈ નથી તો it will be automatic 0 only. Are you getting? પણ અહીંયા 4 છે તો 4 તો એમનેમ જ રહે. You have to change the place value to the nearest 100 means 100 ની પછીના ડિજિટ ને જ ચેન્જ કરવાના છે આપણે. રાઉન્ડ ઓફ કરવાનું છે.
Okay, sir.
Place value of hundreds, whatever we have to keep that as it is. We don't have to change. We have to change the next 2-digit number. If it is greater than 50, that will be converted to 100. Are you getting? If it is smaller than 50, it will be converted to 00. તો આ ત્રણેય નંબર્સમાં શું છે? ત્રણેય નંબરમાં 50 કરતા નીચે છે તો એમાં શું આવી ગયું? 00. Are you getting my point? Your first digit
Yes,
must be 39, which is less than 50. It is converted to 00. Next, 334. 34 is less than 50, so it is converted to 00. 17. 17 is also less than 50. So again, it is converted to 00. Bakina badda numbers as it is, Ria.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood, boys? Anybody
Yes.
has any doubt with this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Will you be able to do this whole question at home? Question number
Yes.
2.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
થઈ જશે ને?
Yes, sir.
Same way to
Sure.
nearest
sir,
tens. Same way to nearest tens. હવે 439 plus 334 plus 4,317. ચલો નિયરેસ્ટ ટેન્સ જવાનું છે તો ટેન્સ ની પ્લેસ પેલા માર્ક કરી લેવાની.
Yes.
Are you getting? Now
Yes.
439 tens ની પ્લેસ પછીનો છેલ્લો ડિજિટ છે more than 5 or less than 5?
Less than 5.
Less than 5 છે હા?
Less than 5.
Or 9. Less than, more than 5.
So it will be converted to
Less than
440.
4,340.
4,300 ક્યાં જોઈ ગયો તું અહીંયા?
Four-
This 439 ને શું કન્વર્ટ થશે?
Tens.
4,440. 440. 440.
Plus 300. 330.
330.
Because 4 is
30.
less than 5.
4 is less than 5. Very good.
5, yes.
Chalo. Then
And here also
4,310.
4,310.
4,310.
10. Because
20.
no,
10
20.
કેવી રીતે આવે?
20.
7 is greater than 5.
Yes, sir. 20.
Chalo, I'm going to do this question number 2 with both the method. One sum. I will solve it in the class in our next lecture. We will solve question 3.
Sir.
Then we will complete our chapter number 1.
Sir.
Okay,
So,
boys?
sir, that
Sir.
in one sum we do both the method.
Yes, that is what they wanted. Sir, ઘરેથી કાંઈ પૂછતા નથી કે તમે આમ કરજો એમ. They are asking us to do this all 4 sums with both the methods.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે? ગમે એટલા મોટા digit છે C. We don't care about the number of digits we have. We care about nearest hundreds and nearest tens. That's it.
Yes, sir. Sir.
બોલો.
સર ક્વેશ્ચનમાં 50 આપ્યો હોય તો ઇક્વલ તો હોય એટલે કરવાનું કેવી રીતે?
એટલે આપણે સીધું 100 માં વ્યૂ જવાનું. If for example over here 439 instead of 439 if it is given 450, so it will be converted to nearest. સીધું કન્વર્ટ કેમાં થઈ જાય?
500.
સમજાઈ ગયું બચ્ચા લોગ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
અહીંયા તમને 9 ની જગ્યાએ 5 આપેલું હોય, બરાબર છે? So nearest tens માં જવાનું છે આપણે, so it will be converted to 440. This 5 will convert to 10. બોલો. બોલો, જલ્દી બોલો, ચલો.
સર એ મેચ ચાલુ કરીને પછી બંધ કરી દઈશ.
Chalo, your homework is up till exercise 1.3, question number 1, and what has to be completed in your fair book compulsorily. Hey, pela સાંભળ ને, હું બોલું છું ને. Exercise 1.3, question number 1, compulsorily in your fair book, has to be done up till this, okay? And one time all the sums has to be done up till question number 2 in rough book. Try this by your own, okay? Atlu to rough book karvanu છે fair book સાથે, but this also has to be done in rough book one time. You have to try it with both the tens. Okay, boys?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Chalo, do take care of yourself. Have a nice time, boys. Khuda Hafiz.
Have a nice day.
Kudafis, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir. Sir, bye.